Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Autel MaxiIM IM608 Pro II 2025 IM608 Pro 2 scanner with XP400 Pro IMKPA G-Box 3APB112. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2025 IM608 Pro II, same as IM608 SII/IM608 II Pro. Autel MaxiIM IM608 Pro II is 2025 newest version based on Autel IM608 Pro/IM508S Pro. It's developed on super faster hardware. Latest Android 10 OS, Qualcomm SDM660, 8-core processor, 4GB and 128GB, 16-megapixel camera, 10.1-inch screen, 15,000 mAh battery. And with supportive to DoIP/CANFD, DPDU/RP1210, FCA AutoAuth, Autel IM608 Pro II can serve wide-set vehicles. It is the most worthwhile investment for your car repair business. Advanced ECU coding same as MS908S Pro 2, Elite 2 Pro, Autel IM608 Pro 2 diagnostic tool support ECU online coding same as Autel MS Ultra, Elite 2 Pro, MS908S Pro 2. MK908 Pro 2. Online ECU coding function enable you to disable the automatic start-stop, customize the daytime running lights, flash hidden function, and so on. Additionally, the device supports both online and offline ECU adaptation for a range of car brands, ensuring comprehensive vehicle diagnostics and repairs. 40+ maintenance services for 99% worldwide vehicles. A simple vehicle repair is a big expense at the dealership. Autel IM608 Pro 2 diagnostic scan tool combines 40+ services to actively reduce unnecessary cost and meet 85+% repair needs such as oil reset, EPB, BMS, SAS, BMS, ABS bleeding, TPMS reset and more functions. Available functions vary by model. 99% of coverage extends wider and in-depth diagnostics to global cars and provides secure access to FCA/SGW vehicles. OE-level all-system diagnostics and active test. One-click Auto VIN or Scan VIN, license to identify vehicle information and fast-performing diagnostics. Autel IM608 Pro 2 eScanner Automotriz operates OE all-system check for all accessible systems including ABS, TPMS, SAS, SRS, engine, windows, and more. Autel Scanner IM608 Pro 2 can do 3,000+ active tests to send action commands, monitor the system running, and accurately pinpoint the problems that could be the engine, injector, fuel pump and more. Extensive vehicle compatibility. Same as IM608S2, Autel MaxiIM IM608 Pro 2 covers over 15,000+ US, EU, and Asian cars from 1996 to 2025. Support DPDU, RP1210, J2534, DoIP, CANFD protocols to connect extensive vehicle range and increases repair order for repair garages. With XP400 Pro, APB112, G-Box 3 adapter maximizes diagnostics business for BMW, Benz, VW, Audi models. More useful features. Autel MaxiIM IM608 Pro 2 scanner also has more extended function. Auto Scan 2.0, all systems scanning 15s in average. FCA AutoAuth, works on Dodge, Ram, Jeep, Chrysler vehicles after 2018 without extra 12+8 cable. Remote Expert, print via Wi-Fi directly, upload reports to Autel Cloud. Work with MV105S for untouchable parts. No IP issue. Pre and post scan. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.